Oxford Junior English Translation. Exercise 64.
मुझे खाना था.
I had to eat.
तुम्हें पढ़ना था.
You had to study.
आपको जाना था.
You had to go.
हम लोगों को मैच खेलना था.
We had to play the match.
तुम्हें दौड़ना पड़ा.
You had to run.
मुझे पत्र लिखना पड़ा.
I had to write a letter.
उन लोगों को त्याग पत्र देना पड़ा.
They had to resign.
राम को पटना जाना पड़ा.
Ram had to go to Patna.
गांधी जी को उपवास करना पड़ा.
Gandhiji had to fast.
उसे परीक्षा देनी थी.
She had to take the exam.
मुझे झूठ बोलना पड़ा था.
I had to tell a lie.
उसे भीख मांगनी पड़ी.
She had to beg.
कल मुझे पटना जाना था.
I had to go to Patna yesterday.
उसे पटना नहीं जाना था.
She didn't have to go to Patna.
उसे नहीं दौड़ना पड़ा.
She didn't have to run.
मुझे नहीं लड़ना पड़ा.
I didn't have to fight.
मुझे स्कूल नहीं जाना था.
I didn't have to go to school.
क्या उसे दौड़ना पड़ा?
Did she have to run?
क्या तुम्हें झूठ बोलना पड़ा था?
Did you have to tell a lie?
क्या सोहन को भीख मांगनी पड़ी थी?
Did Sohan have to beg?
क्या आपको स्कूल जाना था?
Did you have to go to school?
क्या रीता को नाचना था?
Did Rita have to dance? Exercise 65.
मुझे जाना होगा.
I will have to go.
आपको जवाब देना होगा.
You will have to answer.
हमें काम करना होगा.
We will have to work.
उसे पैदल जाना पड़ेगा.
She will have to go on foot.
तुम्हें सच बोलना पड़ेगा.
You will have to tell the truth.
उन लोगों को कुछ करना पड़ेगा.
They will have to do something.
आपको ठहरना पड़ेगा.
You will have to stay.
उसे त्याग पत्र देना होगा.
She will have to resign.
मुझे नहीं रोना पड़ेगा.
I will not have to cry.
आपको त्याग पत्र नहीं देना होगा.
You will not have to resign.
उसे काम नहीं करना पड़ेगा.
She will not have to work.
हम लोगों को कपड़े साफ नहीं करने पड़ेंगे.
We will not have to clean the clothes.
क्या हमें जाना होगा?
Will we have to go?
क्या मुझे झूठ बोलना पड़ेगा?
Will I have to tell a lie?
क्या तुम्हें अपना घर बेचना पड़ेगा?
Will you have to sell your house?
क्या उसे यहाँ ठहरना पड़ेगा?
Will she have to stay here? Exercise 66.
मुझे जाना है.
I have to go.
मुझे जाना था.
I had to go.
मुझे जाना होगा.
I will have to go.
हमें काम नहीं करना है.
We don't have to work.
हमें काम नहीं करना था.
We didn't have to work.
हमें काम नहीं करना पड़ेगा.
We will not have to work.
क्या तुम्हें पढ़ना पड़ता है?
Do you have to study?
क्या तुम्हें पढ़ना पड़ा था?
Did you have to study?
क्या तुम्हें पढ़ना पड़ेगा?
Will you have to study?